So here we are at the house. It's Sunday of Labor Day weekend. This is our neighbor's property. It's an organic farm, Amy's organic farm. This is due west of our house that we're building. That's Amy's little farm stand where she sells fresh vegetables. And this is the driveway up to the house. And coming across the driveway, here's our front yard. And then here's the corner of the house where the house is going to sit. It's under construction. The foundation is just up. The floor joists are in, and they're just starting to put plywood down on the subfloor. And then behind the house is the garage / woodworking shop. It's got the roof on, and they're getting ready to pour concrete inside on the ground floor. It's all looking good and going pretty fast. I can't wait to be living in our new green home, be certified gold, designed by Architect Amy Tyson and built by Sam Zimmerman and the crew at Sunny Day Homes. It's going to be awesome. Going to be a lot of fun. Looking forward to it. This is a close-up shot of the house foundation. See that they're already putting the subfloor down. Haven't quite finished that. And the walls will be going up this week. And there's our tractor, Daddy's trailer, a bunch of our farm equipment. And that yellow thing there is my NASCAR lawnmower. It doesn't do hills very well though. This is a closer shot of the barn. You can see it's a big 2-story garage / barn woodworking shop. Big garage door here. They're getting ready to pour concrete. We'll take a little closer shot there. This will be concrete foundation in here. Floor. Got the plastic vapor barrier down, and they'll be pouring concrete this week. And then up this way, up the hill here, is how you get into the second story. We've got a little road cut here. It's an old-fashioned way of putting barn into a hill so that you have a ramp essentially into the second story of the barn. So you can see I already have some straw in there and grass seed because I've been strawing and grass seeding the areas with temporary sediment erosion control stuff. And interior of the barn. Not finished yet, but it's getting there. A lot of storage, a lot of space.